And after being down for a year, we're finally going on a drive. Okay? If it's gonna crap out, you might as well get it on video. I'm waiting for my clutch pressure to come back.
And she lives.
Sit in the car for a sec. I want to roll up the window. Sit in the driver's side. I want to roll up the window. I want to blow the thing off real quick before we go.
Is Tori gonna be mad?
Nope.
You sure?
Because we're not gonna tell her. What she doesn't know won't hurt. Back a little bit. Yeah, there's no seatbelts. Sorry, Bob. I mean, of course there's seatbelts. Oh, this is wonderful.
Sweet too. How's it feel?
Feels good. It feels real good. I can't floor it because there's a good amount, but not a lot holding the hood to the car. So.
Yeah, this hood's sick.
You like my unicorn vice grips coming out? I love it. I don't know if I'll be able to get in a third or not. Can I blinker? Nope. Oh! Oh my God, is that funny? Oh, Mike and Mesh, you heroes. I just see the hood going.
I was like, oh, wait a minute.
Yeah, I can't be stupid like that because I just don't want to see. Yes, I can imagine, Bob, because I'm a dick and this is what I do. Oh, it feels good to be back in the car. Yeah. Don't do it, please. And, okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Now, the other thing that I gotta check is the caliper. I'm supposed to wait a week before bringing it up to temperature because it needs a full week to cure, so they say according to the can, and usually I don't listen to the can, but I wanted to this time, and I'm hoping that it didn't melt off or something or look stupid now.
No, it should be fine. I painted my boy's caliper and that night.
Yeah, but with spray paint or with the brush? Yeah, I use spray.
Oh.
And I know they use a different mix in the spray.
It feels so trippy being on
It
this
does.
side. Is that a Supra?
Is that a Supra? Forgot to tell you this. This whole thing is being held on by vice grips right now. By four specifically.
Oh, yeah?
4 vice grips, yeah, because I have it going on the front of the front bumper, and then these 2. And it's attached to a bracket that is currently being held on by Dos Boltes.
You know him?
No. I'm still waiting for you to get a fun car. But again, prioritize what you have to prioritize first. I will say, I got it at the perfect time.
You did, Nobody knew you were getting it either. That was great.
Yeah, but not only that, the prices were low.
Yeah.
And I was in a good enough spot in life to be able to do it. I'm such an idiot. I did all this so I didn't have to undo the bolts when I could. I could have just undid 4 snap vice grips.
And what, left the bare hood? I mean,
No, I would have just left the frame there. The frame's not going anywhere. Frame's bolted. Yep.
Why, you wanted to rip it?
Yeah, I would love to right now and just really clean out these poor little injectors and lines because they've been sitting stagnant for a year. Oh, officer. I love that back seat. Look at it all together and shiny. Bobby came over and the ECU came in and I am being a little dingleberry and I've got the hood on. Yeah.
I'm gonna get you when you get stuck.
Yes, come get me when we get stuck. The first thing I told Bobby, I was out of curiosity. What are you doing tonight? No. Okay, I'm only saying that because if we do happen to get stuck while we're out somewhere, you better hope you got nothing to do.
The amount of stairs I'm getting. I should just like hold both of my hands.
Well,
up.
they're also probably looking at the fact
fucking
that
hood.
the hood looks like people wouldn't even know what the hood is.
Yeah. Probably like, what the fuck?
Ah, I should have thrown at least the lip on it. That would have tied it in. That would have sealed the look, Bob.
Ah, this fucking helmet cam is killing me.
You know what makes me happy?
What?
The fact that that guy in the Brinks truck, from that far away, could tell it's a Supra just by looking at the front end with no headlights, looking like this. So, I'll take that. It sounds good, Bob. It sounds real good.
It does. You made this, right?
What is the shift knob? Yeah.
Oh, by the way.
You're fired.
When's that gonna be finished? It'll be fucking dope when it's done.
I'm pushing for soon. Are you familiar with the car? How many Mark IVs do you know with a flip up full?
That's pretty sick.
Isn't that crazy?
Right drive, or is it from Japan?
Yeah, it's from Japan.
Oh yeah, I was smart.
Awesome. Fuck.
Thank you, man, thank you.
Damn. So that's all it was the capacitor?
Running joke in our free
Yo. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, Bobbert. Oh, jeez. And you could see right to the suspension. Those are the nice, beautiful 4 clips that I had to undo, but I didn't because I just was lazy. Ah.
Is that a Supra? Bro, you got like a rag?
I actually do, center console. That is wild crazy. That is wild crazy. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, you like the fire extinguisher? Bob, we really gotta hope we don't have to use it. Yeah, by the way, you know there's no airbags in this car, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. That went nowhere. Hey, Germ, hey. Oh, man.
Hey, fuck.
I'm speechless, Bob. You shouldn't have. Look at this. Look at this guy. I knew there was something that I didn't do, and that was hook back up my horn. We're gonna get back on in, Bob.
I'm at the airport right now.
Go have fun doing what you're doing. Bob and I are gonna make some now. Yeah.